Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet bat subscribe ya u Anton.
Lisbon ipi pai ba ibasmat ban pai khubor after news kan long ka khana tang ha jala ka jengi bani I bandan kajing kala ha gore par ha kadong phan ka jala khantam ha ni kadong bulu ka ba njuti bro kayo ka ba song ka ba he tang go chang tam ba ka phan tam bang I sodong jeng ni than pulo kidon pomisa kasnong bitnat ki kiwa bitara ko wa mkrat wo di bananam adu kalau sumsak jutong do wang jitip baka ni ka than pulum swa kadu ka jaka mare res ne ke le kai kulai res du por pareng kadang kajing kulan kajing le kai kumagado football entah hibru mencua yak than pulu jiwan du jutip koi ka football ne ka jaka le kai ka macam uklung kena bat andai beta kelan kajing kela kalong ba mentah hadin kanu senam cu kani kayo kalong mentah kani kayo lah kelano cak Times Square bagi ba ka jengtrei ha kani kajaka lawan rak projek da sokar meklia kajing lam jong kontrak ti sama ha ba kani jaka sebelum mentahi ni ka jengtrei belas sedang duduk ka Pokratrik Oktober ngene uta menarisau usnam arjar arfo bat lala ban pendep mentah usnam arjar arfutam bat ke jenglut ha kene kalong si spa life like klur bakan top ya ke JST bat kene ko kompleks nani caka kedon ngamba iwei punya pendeu akar ka jaka bat kejeng he jong kene ki yang kalong iwei point nyo Polak Square but kikam bak baba penroy hang ne nyo I wa kelawan rak kajing tenat bat ka nok ngata kadur kadar ya ka lawan play da ka menteri jong ka sarkar kari India ka finance minister ka Sitaraman Nirmala kelawan juga mentalai si ya kanong ba selong bat akhirnya lasi kani menteri kan selaju sopok sora balik jengok ban kenduk ya pai ba kadong kethan lasi manong ba hari ni kejeli bomta jangan sarkar NDA hi ya koroi par hajala hi surok tulti sengkin tempa lasi ba kani kejakah ne kani kedukan kata kepada pek jak muda idon ta kulti ki belong cikum ta kun buat penyai dan dak kalat bagi dia nak duk nyo malah but what lada empat dap lu hanrai ki bahek ki ladap but kidukan empat don 4 play kamera ki bahek dia menta pat kasong hupai ba kulo kingkiran ya koroi ke par hak kelah tinggi bahkan ni sarkar bang ta kawan ra
Can we put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, as the Union Minister of Finance inaugurates the Polo Promotion Complex.
Not able to come to Shillong, but we are extremely happy, privileged and honored that today Madam is able to come to Shillong and will be here with us for the next 3 days and will be able to engage with the people, will be able to inaugurate many projects, lay down many foundation stones for future projects, and of course have very fruitful discussion on the future of the state. I just want to say 2 things. Number one is that I have been working with our Honorable Finance Minister for many years, and I want to share in this platform today that Madam has been always very kind and considerate towards our state of Meghalaya. and also the entire Northeast. She has a very soft corner for the people of the Northeast, for the Northeast region as a whole. And we have always felt that whenever we have gone to request her for any kind of special consideration for our state, Madam has never said no. I also want to share with all of you that there is a special program by the Finance Ministry which is called a Special Assistant to Capital Investment for different states. And this is a scheme which is mostly meant for infrastructure development. And with the blessing of the Finance Ministry and the blessing of our Honorable Finance Minister, Meghalaya State has been able to get maximum funds through this scheme which we call SASKI. And with the help of this program, many roads, connectivity have been developed, many large infrastructures have been created, and different kind of iconic projects have been made, and many more will be made in the future. And the reason I'm mentioning this today to you is because we all end up seeing the roads being constructed. We all end up seeing different projects coming up, but we never come to know that actually the funds have come from SASKI. So it has been funds that Madam has been very generous. Meghalaya has been one of the few states that has been able to really capitalize on this scheme, and through her guidance today, we are really able to use those funds for the overall development of the state. The second point which I would like to mention is that, ma'am, today what we are inaugurating here today, yes, it is a shopping complex and a new building and a new concept, but this is actually in a way a symbol, I should say, of the progress and the plans and the transformation that we have planned for the entire city of Shillong. And this is the first building that we're inaugurating now, but there are series of other programs and projects that are coming up. So what we're seeing here today is the beginning. You will see that along the way, projects to beautify the entire riverfront, a project that's costing close to about 35 crores, has already been sanctioned and work is started. So we will actually have the entire riverfront being made into a proper tourist spot and develop it. We are also developing the entire area for the sports complex, where all the major sports events take place as of now. All that is being developed. Behind that also, we have some land where we'll be again creating additional infrastructure. So all of this area will be developed. We are in very advanced talks also with the shopkeepers along in this area, so that we are able to beautify this entire space. For the first time, ma'am, what I want to tell you is that this kind of a transformative project and thought process has never happened. Shillong has been the Shillong it was earlier, with no major projects taking place of this magnitude. It is only in the recent past that it started, and this project is the first one to be completed, and there are many more coming in. We just showed you the projects for the new Shillong area which is coming up. That again is is going to be a very important part of our city. The entire new assembly is there. The NIFT is there. The